Division, Trevin Jones turned 31 earlier this month. Saydiokub Kahramonov miss for Kahramonov. 1-inch reach advantage with Trevin.
Here we go with the next fight tonight. 3 rounds. This in the UFC Bantamweight division. Weighing in officially 138 1/2 pounds. It's professional record. Gun Uzbekistan. Here is Saydiokub. And across the octagon, his opponent fighting out of the red corner. Of 13 victories, 6 defeats, and 1 no contest. Jones. And your
referee, Saydiokub Kahramonov, despite all of the Trevin 5-star Jones. This fight clock is brought to you by Modelo. Kahramonov has family in Illinois, trains out of California, but of course...
And in those instances, right, when the kid takes the fight on short notice, you see somebody with a full training camp come in and miss the weight. Tapped across the hips and got Jones. Now he's on the guillotine. So, yeah, he tried to bring his hand over the top.
Yeah, he's still... That is one of his go-to chokes. 3 wins by submission for Cock. Fence holds up early.
This is what you got to watch with Kahramonov. All the way across. Ronda Rousey was real good at this. These judo athletes.
Nice.
Adjustment.
He did.
And he lost it.
He had, look, there it is. He had arm grip. But if you're Jones, right, you're excited because he
was Jones's first martial art, over 100 jiu-jitsu.
Throw. Short notice fight, guy that misses weight. You want to make...
Last month against Ronnie Lawrence, that fight went away late, so he...
Knee. You don't like it. Knee.
Controlling the right side underhook and then fighting for position on the opposite. Now look at him address the underhook of Kahramonov. Every something to control him still and keep him up against the side of the cage.
Keep him there.
Looks like nice knees here.
Yeah, it needs to be on the opposite.
Knee. Get that knee.
Now he's... Because then you're just hanging on the opponent.
Get your back off the cage. Nice. 1 minute left.
That's one of those positions where Herb's very patient. People from the outside, they boo this and they don't...
Well, I think Paul Felder, the man to my right, if he was refereeing, he would have already broken these athletes.
Oh, he would have...
If I'm not fighting, you know, if I was able to choose...
Paul, he'd be giving a death stare to the referee.
Yeah, well, exactly. I'd be...
The cage, okay? Get back to the middle and make his ass work. Get your ass back to the middle of the cage. Come on, cage side to side.
You good. You got him. You good. Hey, let's mix up the ticket.
Throw him back. So talk about that. The gray round. More?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Featuring Lion Fight, American Combat Alliance, and LFA. It's
hard fighting in there. Chest to chest, fighting for position.
Yeah. So just constantly jockeying for better position.
I believe that Jones can see any of the strikes from the outside. The problem is he can't get him off.
Good knee to the body from Trevin Jones, but he has...
Hey, pinch his arm down. Pinch his arm down.
I don't know. I mean, I know Jones didn't do much. Forcing your opponent to fight you where you want him at. Oh, nice. Now Jones is trying to put him back against the octagon because he has to.
Yeah. Ooh, nice short shots here.
Kahramonov.
Good dirty boxing there. Using the small knuckles.
To the mat, get your weight on the foot so you can start to defend.
To go round 2.
Now Kahramonov has landed some really good shots.
Nice move.
Jones is tired. Oh!
Whoa, just misses with that head kick.
Jones is
big right hand there.
Bad.
He's letting it go here, Kahramonov.
And he might be able to finish Jones.
Yeah, he's got to be to not rush in so that Jones gets the opportunity to shoot. Yeah, I agree, DC.
A good body kick would really hurt Jones. He's hurt, he's done.
No, he's swinging too wild. He's got to be more... There it is.
Nice body shot.
Good body shot there. Nice, Jones. There, now Jones is woken up a little bit. Decides to start letting some out.
He's tired. Smash. Let's go. Let's go. He's tired.
Then it appears both corners will...
Trevin is just as tired.
He's tired.
If not more.
Up on the feet for a while there.
Right there.
Under a minute.
He's tired. He's tired. He's tired. Fist from the left hand. Let's go.
Nice body shot there, though, from Jones. Open. I feel like if Jones really wants to slide that knee
tired.
through and
Let's
get
go,
him
man.
out,
Tired.
The back.
Oh, he's
Sitting up in the mount here. Yep, this is big.
Mounted, big right hand there.
He's got to just let his hands go here. Kakhramonov's doing the...
Interesting.
You got a dead motherfucking duck in the middle of this cage. He is a dead motherfucking cage. All he wants to do is fucking rest, kid. He's just fucking your eyes and keep fucking clipping him. Keep touching him. He ain't shit. He can't.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, let's put a statement in this round.
Here.
Hey, I need a statement for this round. Let's go.
You're good.
And the Kakhramonov corner, Paul, really believes that
To be exact.
yes, it does.
Here's the problem. Kakhramonov can go get him and start landing on him, but if where he's beating on Kakhramonov. Yeah, Jones. He's tired already. Those body kicks will just advance that. To say that he took this fight on short notice, he looked real good.
No doubt. 4 minutes to go. Some suggesting that Trevin Jones needs a finish.
In the round on your back, mounted, and people still think that you won the round. You hear the Kakhramonov corner saying, we need this round, right? Nobody can...
All right, let us check in with the blue corner.
No throws, no throws. Wrestle out, no throws. Wrestle. He's tired too, Side. You gotta dig deeper. He's tired too. He's hurt. Up.
You hear the urgency in the Kakhramonov to push a pace that makes Jones
Throws a singular knee,
Well, Jones is content to sit here, John.
and he's got the body.
But it doesn't seem like right now he's willing to give the effort to get the fight down in this round.
I mean, it's up to Kakhramonov to get.
Dean's going to step in any minute.
Here, punching, elbows, and making it seem like a better list to keep this fight where he wants it.
But like John said, right?
Yeah, I think it would be a good time to separate them right now.
Thinking about it, because you understand how difficult judging the importance of this position is.
Of a very competitive fight. Another shot from Trevin Jones.
Oh, he's got his hips in. He's got to feed the hips.
Oh, that's tight.
Push the elbow. If you're Kakhramonov now, you got to push that arm up. Yep.
He's out! Sayed Kakhramonov!
Wow.
It was right after Kakhramonov was able to push his wrist.
Uzbekistan is certainly on the map. He came over. Uzbekistan. It is now time for Impact Performer, brought to you by the U.S.
Army. Shot just to try to get close. Kakhramonov starts to attack. Guillotine, remember, tight. But if we can get a different angle, look at him. He starts to push his own wrist. With his right hand, he's pushing it back over in the opposite direction.
And there's the reaction.
Celebration.
UFC fighter Kakhramonov might need to start learning how to pronounce that name, folks. Well, it shapes up as a striker's delight for the ages. 10 p.m. Eastern on ESPN. We'll also crown 2 new Ultimate Fighters. Prelim, the official decision. It's brought to you by DAV, Disabled American Veterans, keeping our promise.
The end comes officially 4 minutes, 39 seconds, round number 3. Oh, no!